Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create guild on Discord. So the first step is to open up your Discord application and then tap on this plus like icon over here. Once you tap on it, you tap on create my own and then you choose the kind of guild you want. So take note that when they say create guild on Discord, it means they want you to create a server. Okay, so this kind of guild will be for me and my friends, and then you choose an icon for it, more like a profile picture, and then you also give it a name. So for my case, mine is African Heritage Server. So I'll tap on create server, more like create guild. I'll just skip this, and then once you skip that, you've now created your guild on Discord. You can send their messages and even you can add members in your guild, and that's how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet in the next video once again.